If you're trying to expand your image in Photoshop but end up with blank space on the sides, here's the fastest way to fill it seamlessly using Content-Aware Fill. Start by opening your image. Right-click and convert the image to a smart object, and unlock the background layer. Then, select the rectangular marquee tool and highlight the blank area. Right-click and choose Content-Aware Fill. In this window, tick Sample All Layers. Photoshop will preview the result instantly. If it looks good, click OK. Repeat the same process on the other side. Make sure you're selecting the main background layer and not any extra layers you created. Once both sides are filled, flatten the image if needed. You can do this with any image you want. Let's test it on a more complex background. Select the blank areas and run Content-Aware Fill. Photoshop will expand the background instantly. Content-Aware Fill is a powerful tool for expanding backgrounds, removing objects, and creating seamless composites, so feel free to experiment with different images. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.